So I'm going to remove this the easiest way I know how. Just dig around it a little bit, and then we'll pull it out with a vehicle. Being that I'm near here, I don't want the roots to move this around, so I'm just going to make sure it's chopped up a little bit. Now for the fun part. So now we're going to tie a rope around this into my car.
Are you really gonna do that, Daddy?
Yeah, guys, just rip this out with the car.
Like you did last time?
Yeah, isn't it fun? So just wrap it around twice, get it around the base. Then we'll wrap this around the bottom of the car. You might have something to tow with, but I have this that I can attach to, so I'll use this, and that way I'll drag it out with that. So I'm gonna take the ropes, come under here. What I want to do is try to make it so that I don't have a lot of slack. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to wrap this through here. So I'm just going to pull that loop through. And the reason for that loop is when I'm done, it'll be much easier to untie this. So when I'm done, basically I just have a loop here. I'm just going to pull this end and it'll loosen up that knot. I know, wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
It's much easier to think ahead and use a tool than it is to use my back. As we get older, we get a little wiser. And if you see over here, there's no damage or anything. Now what I could do is loosen the knot up. And if you notice, it's not a big struggle, so by making a loop, it's a lot easier.